of demand as stated by Alfred Marshall. Law of demand states the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, keeping other factors constant. Now we will be studying word by word that what these terms when put together in a definition means. So the important terms here are first inverse relationship, price, quantity demanded, and keeping other factors constant. So first we will understand relationship. So when we say relationship, so it is always studied in reference to more than one element. So here the elements are price and quantity demanded. So price and quantity demanded are two elements which we are studying. Now, what kind of relationship exists between price and quantity demanded? It is inverse. We also call it negative. So, there exists inverse relationship or negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. So, what actually negative relationship or inverse relationship means? So, it states that one component goes up, the other in a relationship goes down. And when one goes down, the other goes up. This we will understand with the help of the schedule given here. Price and quantity demanded. As we know that quantity demanded is associated with each level of price. Like 5 rupees will have its own demand, 4 rupees will have its own demand. So here when price is going down from 5 to 4, what is happening? The demand is going up from 1 to 2. Now from the bottom, when price is going up from rupees 1 to 2, what is happening to the demand? It is going down from 5 to 4. So this is called the inverse relationship. Now talking about that price is having its effect on quantity demanded. It is not that quantity demanded is having the effect on price. Normally, it has the effect, but here we are studying the law of demand and we are studying the effect of price on quantity demanded, not vice versa. So, we have to just think that what impact price is creating on the quantity demanded. That's it. Now, studying the diagram, on y-axis we have taken price and on x-axis we have taken quantity demanded. As I said, between price and quantity demanded, there is inverse relationship. If we take rupees 5 as the price of an item, so demand at this level is just 1 unit. Now, if we say the price is going down, so being in inverse relationship, obviously the quantity demanded will go up. So now at 4 rupees, it is two quantities which is being demanded. So by that, what is happening? Downward sloping curve is made because of the inverse relationship. So always remember that when there is inverse relationship between two elements, the curve will be downwards sloping as shown here. Okay. Now talking about keeping other factors constant, the other important aspect of the definition. So what are the factors which we are keeping constant here? It is price of related goods, income of the consumer, taste and preferences, expectation of change in the price in future. All these factors are taken as constant. And if you remember, then these constant are nothing but determinants of demand. Demand depends on these factors along with the price of own good, which we are studying in law of demand, the impact of price on quantity demanded. So in order to study the impact of price on quantity demanded, we have kept these factors as constant, and these are the assumptions also. Price of the related goods are taken as constant, income of the consumer is not changing, there is taste and preferences are kept as constant, there is no change in the price in future. Okay, so these steps or factors are taken as constant. So now going back to the definition, now we understood that law of demand states the inverse relationship, that is negative relationship between price and quantity demanded, keeping other factors constant. Price and quantity demanded are studied in law of demand. The impact of price on quantity demanded, not impact of quantity demanded on price. And the type of relationship which exists is inverse, negative, one goes up, the other goes down. Keeping other factors constant, these other factors are the other determinants of demand which are kept as constant or ceteris paribus. So now what we have studied here, first thing, inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. This relationship is only qualitative, not quantitative. Like when I said that one goes up and other goes down, I never said that it goes up by 1 rupees, the demand goes down by 2 units. I never quantified it. So the relationship is entirely qualitative, not quantitative. The law of demand is one sided. That means it studies the impact of price on quantity demanded, but not the impact of quantity demanded on price. So that's it. These are the important points to remember from the law of demand. Inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, qualitative in nature, not quantitative, and it is one sided. So I hope it clears your doubt now. Thank you.